the following counties in Virginia: Culpeper, Fairfax, Loudoun, Madison, Northern Fauquier, Orange, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Rappahannock and Southern Fauquier. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland, Washington has issued a winter storm warning for snow, sleet, and freezing rain, which is in effect from 8 a.m. Sunday to 10 a.m. Monday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Precipitation type, snow and sleet, then changing over to freezing rain mid-afternoon, and continuing through Monday morning. Accumulations, 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet, followed by a quarter inch of ice. Timing, snow and sleet will begin Sunday morning, then will change to freezing rain Sunday afternoon. Freezing rain will continue Sunday night, eventually changing to rain late Monday morning. The greatest accumulation of ice will take place on Sunday night. Temperatures, upper 20s. Winds, north 5 to 10 miles per hour. Impacts, hazardous travel conditions are probable due to slick roads and icy conditions, especially in valley locations. Downed tree branches and limbs along with power outages are likely.